In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the th small in Canva. Whether you're creating a logo, designing social media graphics, or preparing content for print, sometimes you'll run into a creative block when you need to insert a small superscript th in your design. Canva doesn't directly provide a superscript option, so you might find yourself scratching your head. No worries, because today I'll guide you through a simple workaround to achieve this effect effortlessly. So let's dive into the process. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account using your email or social media profiles. Once you're all set and logged in, we'll get started on creating your design. Now, let's create a new canvas. I recommend setting the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels for a square design, which works great for social media posts. Once you're in the design interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various tools you can use for designing. For this task, our focus will be on the text tool. Click on the text option from this menu. You'll see a variety of options for adding text, such as heading, subheading, or body text. For today's example, we're going to keep it simple and stick with a heading. Click on Add a Heading, and you'll see a text box appear on your canvas. Next, go ahead and type in your main text in the text box. Let's say you type in something like To ensure your design looks proportional, you might need to resize this text. Simply click and drag the corners of the text box to adjust it to your desired size. This is crucial to make sure you have enough space to add the small th next to your original text. Now comes the crafty part. We'll be adding our th. Head back to our trusty text tool and this time add another text box. In this new text box, type in thaa. At first it may appear too large, but don't worry. We'll resize the aka to make it smaller, mimicking the superscript effect. Click and drag the corners to adjust the size of the th so that it's visibly smaller than your main text. The goal here is to make it appear like a standard superscript that you often see after numbers. With your text selected, move the small th to the top right of your original text. Position it carefully so it resembles the appearance of a superscript. This alignment is crucial for achieving a professional look. Finally, to ensure they move as one single unit in your design, you'll want to group these text elements together. Select both text boxes, right-click, and choose the option to group them. This allows you to move them around together easily in your design. And there you have it. You've successfully created a superscript in Canva. With this simple workaround, you can now add a touch of professionalism and style to your designs. Keep practicing and experimenting with different sizes and fonts to see what suits your needs best. Happy designing!